Good morning, welcome to Golden Hour. This is your morning yoga class. My name is Camilla and it's another beautiful sunny morning here in Stockholm. We today have a shorter class just to really connect in with the body. This is perfect for a day where you don't necessarily feel like doing a heavy, strong flow, but more just want to connect back in with yourself and feel best for starting your day. We will start seated. So if you have a block, something to sit on, I'm up on a block now. Just nice to lift the hips a bit higher. If you have something like that, it can be good to add underneath you. If not, it's fine to be sitting on your mat. We will start with some seated meditation and then we'll move into some gentle movement. So you can begin with closing the eyes. Coming to Sukhasana, easy seat. Feeling your sit bones grounding down. Length through your spine. Imagining there is a thread pulling the crown of your head towards the ceiling or sky. So it is sitting nice and tall in a position where you're not straining, but you're still with the intention of being alert and aware. Noticing your different senses. We have the eyes closed, but see if we can tune into the other senses. So what can you taste? Any sensation in the mouth? What can you smell? What can you hear? What are the sounds nearest to you? And then going further and further away. What's the sound furthest away that you can hear? Moving on to touch. What can you feel? What can you feel? The weight of your hands on your lap maybe. Clothes on your skin. Mat or cushion block underneath you. The texture of that surface. Taking a deep breath. Very nice. Blinking open the eyes. I'm going to come down to sit directly on the floor. You might like to do the same. We'll start by walking our hands out in front of us, dropping your head down. Feeling the outer hips. Maybe a little rock side to side. Very nice. Climbing back up, and let's change the cross of our legs. Sitting up tall, and then again walking yourself forward, closing down the eyes. Walking back up, walking your hands out to the side, inhale. Exhale, grounding down. Inhale, lifting your right hand high to the sky, reaching long, pushing down through your right sit bone, and exhale, tipping over to the left. Looking down at your thumb on the floor, and then turning your head under your armpit to look up at the ceiling, the sky. Inhale back to center, and straight away, left hand reaches long, feeling that connection from your sit bone all the way to your fingertips. And exhale, folding over. Inhale back to center, coming in for a seated spinal twist. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind us. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthening. Exhale a little deeper into the twist. Back to center, left hand, right knee, right hand behind us. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Very good. Back to center, and we'll go into some Sufi circles, rotating your torso over your hips. Deep breaths. You can come like me and starting to release the head, closing the eyes. And reversing the circles. Very nice. Coming to kneel, sitting up on your shins, back on your heels, taking a breath. Coming forward, hands and knees. Cat-cow, dropping your belly, looking up, inhale. Exhale, pushing the mat away. I'm already moving into some more spinal movements, so whatever your body is calling for, staying with cat-cow, doing something else entirely. And then staying like this, or we are dropping knees back a little bit behind us, hips to the floor, coming into a cobra pose. Exhale, pushing back, child's pose. Inhale, rippling forward, opening the chest. Exhale, sinking back to your heels. Following your breath. The body knows deep down what it really needs, so it's just a matter of tuning into what it wants, being able to really listen and respond. We meet back in child's pose, reaching long through your hands, grounding your forehead to the mat. Calming up, pushing into your hands, just touching downward facing dog. Bending out through the knees, pushing through the palms. Maybe a generous bend in the knees to really feel the hips, being able to release, lengthening through your spine. And then we're coming all the way forward, lowering down onto your belly. Hands come wide. A bit forward of your shoulders, so maybe in line more with your face, your nose. Forehead resting on the mat. Inhale, peeling yourself up, spider fingers with the hands. Exhale to release. Inhale, lifting. Exhale. Following your breath. And then hands out to the side, spider finger on the left hand. And we're flipping over into broken wing. Left foot is coming behind you, coming up on the toes, or planting your foot all the way down. So we're stretching through the right shoulder. You pick your intensity here, calming back a little bit if it's too much. If If you want to deepen, half bind with the left hand coming behind you. Coming back to center. Switching sides, right hand coming up in tented fingers, flipping your right foot up and over. Picking your level of intensity for your shoulder. Back to center. A few more of these rolling seal poses. And then we're pushing ourselves up and back onto our heels, coming to sit down on our bottom, stretching your legs in front of you. Just letting your head hang. Maybe swaying side to side. Bending through the knees now, hands come back behind you. Windscreen wipering. The legs, is that a word? I'm not sure. We'll go with it. And then bringing your bottom forward on your mat, rolling all the way down, knees into chest. Some circles with your knees opening through the hips. Bringing left leg long, hanging right knee into chest. Again, it can be nice to do some circles here. Holding down through your left hip, pulling your right knee out to the side. And then coming into a twist. Right knee comes up and over to the left. Right hand to the right, grounding through your shoulder. Back to center, knee into chest, pulling it out to the side, maybe a few circles here, pressing down on your right hip for stability. And then when you're ready, coming into supine twist. Back to center, bending your knees, happy baby, drawing your feet down, knees towards your armpits, lower back to the floor. Staying in stillness, rocking side to side. Maybe you want to try extending one leg at a time. Wherever you are, see if you can take the deepest breath you have taken this morning. Reclined butterfly, soles of the feet together, knees wide apart, sending hands overhead, holding opposite elbows. And your choice for Shavasana for today, staying here, or if you'd like, extending out the legs, hands away from the body, feet falling open. Softening your face, softening your jaw, stomach, legs, whole body. Moving fingers and toes, deepening your breath. Bending your knees, bringing your knees into chest, give yourself a squeeze. Coming over to one side, pushing yourself gently up. Let's try to keep eyes still closed or just lightly open. Coming back to where we started, easy seat. Bring hands together, start rubbing your palms, generating some heat. And then placing your palms lightly over your eyes. You can blink your eyes open, welcoming the day back in. Hands to heart center. Bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me here on the mat this morning for hopefully a nice gentle golden hour class. If you enjoyed it and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to leave a comment, any requests, you are very welcome to do so. I'll see you again another morning soon. Bye.